Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can voice record on Bandlab, so let's get right into it. Firstly, of course, you do need to have the appropriate peripherals to record your voice, and by that, of course, I mean a microphone or a device with an already built-in microphone, such as either a webcam or a laptop. Just use whatever you have. If you want the highest quality sound, of course, you should invest in a higher quality microphone, but you can record it with pretty much anything. Now, as you can see, I'm in an empty project, and to actually start recording your voice, you need to go and add a track here and click on voice/audio. This will open up the voice track and you can start recording from here. But first, before you do, make sure that the microphone that's selected is the microphone you wish to use. As you can see here, I have the default microphone, but that's set to my webcam, which is currently connected, I'm pretty sure, but it doesn't work, so it wouldn't connect any or it wouldn't record any voice. So just make sure your correct microphone is set up, and now all you gotta do to record is press this big red button, wait for the countdown to end, and now you can start recording your voice. And as you can see, it is being recorded. I am going to stop it now. Here's where you stop recording. However, it'll continue to play. You just press the stop icon and that will stop it. It's just that square icon second from the left. And now, as you can see, it is a bit quiet. If I go into the editor, I can just increase the region gain, and that will make it a bit louder. I would play it for you guys, but I set up my OBS not to record desktop sound, but that is pretty much all you need to know anyway. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.